Holy shit. What? Oh shit!
I took out one helicopter.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh my god, I gotta highlight that.
Yeah, I saw that. That was pretty funny.
Oh my god, I'm so bad. I think I need to go to bed.
Ding.
What do you think, guys? I think I need to go to bed right now. Oh god, please, no more. Before I embarrass myself. Let's see, that was 11:46, so 11:40. I think I need a pen. I should remember that. You missed that? Oh my god, I got ran over by a train. Oh, you heard the train horn? Dude, I couldn't hear anything. I did not hear a train coming. Oh my god. Good night, good night, Afghani. Ich liebe dich, mein Schatzi. Have a good night, honey. She tried to stop a train.
I just realized someone's hacking me in the Princeton Square.
Yeah, I saw that. Nothing new. Aw, sorry, killer. I wasn't.
I'm gonna bank them.
I didn't know that you were streaming right now, or else I would have popped into your chat. Whoa. Oh yeah, I can't move.
Like at all?
I can turn my character a little bit.
Can you get in your car?
No. Wait. Yep.
Let's see. Yeah, because I can move around in the car, but
Weird. How the hell do you do that?
I can move around outside my car.
Good night, Garrett. Thanks for being in my chat and keeping me company and stuff. You're awesome. And I love you. Have a good night. Hey, what's up, Codebra? How was your weekend, honey? Yeah, I was doing one of those survival missions. And I wasn't paying attention and I was on the train tracks and I got hit by the train coming. It was pretty funny.
That's sunset though.
Yeah, I'll highlight it and you'll be able to see what happened.
I will say they did an awesome job with like the sky ambience in this.
Oh yeah. Even with my shitty graphics card, it looks really good. Ow, you bitch!
Like driving in first person mode, it's pretty badass.
Oh, I can't drive in first person mode. My cute face brought
Like
me
just
back.
pull over where I am and like go into first person and look at the sunset.
Okay, hold on. Whoa, what was that?
I do not know.
Whoops.
so that screen rumble was not something that I ran over.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah, the horizon looks really well done. Thank you, Codebra.
Yeah, they did.
I love you,
Yeah,
honey. You're such a sweetie. Huh?
Hold on. Liz, I'm gonna jump in your car.
I don't know if you can. Oh. What's up, iHack GTA?
Alright, now that we're at the makeout point.
Oh god.